Now let us start. Tell me how to install this device from new and then out, then how to connect the wires. How about this? Configure this device. That our equipment. These are the main accessories. One is oil water separator used for pressure regulation. Okay. Filter moisture. Then there is a power line. It has to 0 volts AC. There is also a line connecting to the control cabinet. Regarding our tool assembly, let us demonstrate how to install it. How do you connect these few accessories? Good. First, let us take a look at our advantages. The advantage separator mainly consists of two parts. There is another one before and after the main body. Barometric standard. After opening it, connect the head of the barometer to the one ahead. Then there is a quick connector on each end. Then separate the oil-water separator. Receive from the side of the control cabinet. We will temporarily connect to screws first. Then the two quick connectors of the oil-water separator. The right side is the exhaust end. Connect the intake end to a pressure source. This air pressure source is factory provided. Pick up this connected air pump or that one. Where is the air pressure? Enter our connection line on the right side. They are all 8 MEM pipes. And then we watch this. On the left side of these two plugs, for power plug, right ultrasonic output plug. This connecting line, the big connector above, is the ultrasonic output prior. These two, the blue one is oil circuit. Transparent oil outlet. Now this position is basically connected. Another one is our power plug. Other end, interpolated at to 0 volts. The other end of the connecting wire. Take our prop assembly. They are small plugs respectively. Plug it into the corresponding socket. Here it is, oil circuit. Upper transparent tube. Connect a shut-off valve on top of the transparent tube. Can accurately adjust the flow rate of oil. back end of the knife has high air pressure. Read this line inserted behind the pneumatic cylinder. Is this connected now? Just connect the knife right, connecting small blood vessels and hot blood vessels, and this is now his pus. This knife doesn't need a circuit anymore. You don't need to reflux, do you? No need to reflux those voids. So what? Just take a look at this one behind us. There's one. Oil, hiccup. Fuel tank refueling. Here. And this is our fuel tank. Take a look at you. This is a lard mouth. For lard mouth. Then you cheer us on. It turns out that we matched him with one of those little ones. It doesn't matter if you take any one. Where is this fuel tank? Inside. Hiccup, we have a funnel inside. For the convenience of refueling, wait a moment, this horseman, go get this. Come on, this loophole. This oil is added to the fuel tank. The ingredients are usually chicken oil. Add kerosene. Hiccup, the ratio of engine oil to kerosene is 7:3. You can also add that engine oil directly under the premise of a relatively high temperature. In a relatively cold environment, it is better to add a little. The ratio of kerosene is 7:3. Hiccup, proportion of kerosene, no kerosene water added. Let it dilute a bit. What is there to it? This is a burning funnel. So what? Add the oil and kerosene ratio I mentioned just now. Just add it in. There is a temperature display here when you enter. This display of oil quantity. According to general circumstances, you can add it to this red line here. And then in the process of later use, just pay attention. Look at this display of oil gauge. There is a display that shows the fuel level when it is lower. Just joining this and talking about this mixture of engine oil and kerosene, or perhaps, if the external premise allows for downward movement, simply join and enter directly. Then let me introduce these three. Regarding these three valves, this line is the oil outlet pipe. This line is the return oil pipe. There are two valves on the flow line. This is the main oil outlet. This is a pressure relief valve. That means our oil output power is constant. But we don't need that much oil. Open it from this position. Remove a portion of the oil. Then use this adjustment again. The oil output of the entire oil outlet. And this is consistent with what we just talked about. This one on the prop assembly. The precise adjustment rule is used in conjunction. It was adjusted in the control cabinet section. In the same situation, use this valve again for fine adjustment. This is the oil return method. If it's the oil return method, basically, this special user, just keep this open regularly. Just open it, Good. Now this is it. The installation of the equipment. That's it. How is it from this a new cabinet? And then to be able to use this installation connection. This video ends here. Then let us go see this. Some of these are used in conjunction with the machine tool to process the work pickup actual usage video.